Hello grammar stars, welcome back to another quiz video. በዛሬው ቪዲዮ countable and uncountable nouns ትለዩበታላችሁ። 20 ምርጫ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ከሌቭል 1 ኢዚ ሌቭል ጀምረን በሌቭል 4 ኤክስፐርት ሌቭል እንጨርሳለን። ለሁላችሁም መልካም እድል። ኢዚ ሌቭል which one is a countable noun? ከምርጫዎች ውስጥ countable noun የሆነው የቱ ነው? ባንክ፣ money, freedom. sugar, salt, cup. book, information, advice. student, knowledge, homework. meat, banana, bread. በጣም አሪፍ። Let's go to medium level. Which one is an uncountable noun? ከምርጫዎች ውስጥ uncountable noun የሆነው የቱ ነው? cotton, towel, dress. cow, milk, bottle. chair, table, furniture. magazine, news, TV. music, guitar, singer. Excellent. Next is hard level. Which word is the countable noun in the sentence? በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ countable noun የሆነው ቃል የቱ ነው? I made toys from paper. አሻንጉሊቶችን በወረቀት ሰራው። made, toys, paper. He wrote songs about love. የፍቅር ዘፈኖችን ጻፈ። wrote, love, songs. She baked cookies with butter. ቅቤ ያላቸውን ኩኪሶች ጋገረች። butter, cookies, baked. They played games after dinner. ከእራት በኋላ ጌሞችን ተጫወቱ። games, dinner, played. He sold 2 paintings for cash. ሁለት ስዕሎችን በገንዘብ ሸጠ። sold, cash, paintings. Very good. Let's go to the last one. Expert level. Which word is the uncountable noun in the sentence? በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ uncountable noun የሆነው ቃል የቱ ነው? The waiter brought sandwiches and juice. አስተናጋጁ ሳንድዊቾችና ጁስ አመጣ። waiter, sandwiches, juice. The baker prepared cakes with flour. ጋጋሪው ኬኮችን ከዱቄት አዘጋጀ። cakes, flour, baker. The child drew pictures with chalk. ልጁ ስዕሎችን በቾክ ሳለ። child, chalk, pictures. The chef served noodles with soup. ሼፉ ፓስታ በሾርባ አቀረበ። soup, noodles, chef. The artist painted walls with paint. አርቲስቱ ግድግዳዎችን በቀለም ሳለ። artist, paint, walls. ከ20 ስንቱን አገኛችሁ? እንደተለመደው ኮሜንት ዩር ስኮር። ለተጨማሪ እንግሊሽ ግራመር ኪውዞች ደግሞ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። See you in the next video.